everybody, welcome to Vintage Overland Adventures. Larry here. All right guys, the sun is setting. Oh, it's gonna be cold tonight. There it is. Woo, it's cold. The camera just shuts right off. Let me get a temp report. We don't have a back wall anymore. Let's try out the first aid kit. First time. Oh, that's not cold. 48 degrees is not cold. 46 out here. 44 on the, that's because we have wind. Look at this, look at this. It's beautiful. We're in Sawtooth Campground. It's beautiful here. I love this place. I've been here a few times, so I've never been on the hikes that are available here. So tomorrow we're gonna go on a few hikes, maybe just one, but see what we can do. It's pretty windy, so I'm not sure if we'll be able to have a fire tonight. The road coming in was just washboarded, nothing technical to get here, just a campsite out in the middle of the Mojave Desert. All right, let's go see what's for dinner. Oh yeah, I'm having coffee. Dinner is served. I bought a couple tamales from Vallarta's. Oh yeah, look at these guys. What do we have here? The entrance of Sawtooth Canyon Campground. Hey, you ready? This is gonna be fun. This is Sawtooth Canyon Campground review. A great time to air down. This entrance to Sawtooth is completely washboarded. It's like watching grass grow. Do another one. Do another one. Don't lose your caps, folks. What's that noise? Air compressor. Must be some sort of natural gas. You can see the route up the mountain back there. And this goes all the way out to the other side of Johnson Valley. There's a couple of these along the route. Keep it flowing. Woohoo! What'd you think of that drone footage? Pretty cool. Pretty nasty. I aired down to about 18 pounds. A little hazy in here right now from the wind. Look at those views, folks. Look at this. This place is packed. This is the entrance. Don't shoot your neighbor, even if they are loud. There's hiking here, rock climbing here. I would say no mountain biking. You can ride in the campground a little bit, but it's not, there's no trails that I know of that are mountain bike good. I like mountain biking. I'd be disappointed if I came here for a mountain bike ride. That's the host spot. They haven't had a host here for probably 10 years. This is the main spur. We're heading in from the north side up to the south side. That's where they do the rock climbing. There's some beautiful views in this campsite. There's 14 camp spots. There's cabanas at every camp space. The best chance of getting a spot is to get here early, because people are leaving, 8 in the morning till 10, so you can grab a spot. There's the second pit toilet. This campsite's getting a little trendy now. Just a few years ago, you used to be able to come out in the middle of the week, maybe one person was here camping. Now it's just absolutely packed. Hey, we made it to the top. Yeah, rock climbers love it here. Hey, don't camp here. It's busy. The hikers are in and out of this spot all weekend long, and they will walk through your site. And on busy weekends, there's rock formations that they climb throughout this whole complex. I look at it as they got the right of way. You just sit back and watch them and enjoy. All right, we're leaving New Jack City. Oh, couple cars. Here's the sites along the rocks. Couple close spots here, 10 and 11. Be great if you show up with a couple families and grab both spots. Nice little cubby here. You got number 12 and 13. Hey, here we go. We're going on Spur 3, heading west. Hey, we're gonna cut for a hike. How about that? There's a lot going on here in a small location. It's a nice little hiking trail right in the campsite. So green. My first flower. This trail has a lot to offer for views. Check out the views, folks. I think this spring we should have a pretty good bloom in the desert. Got a few poking out. Well, it's gonna be incredible. About a month. This looks like the trail, folks. Oh yeah. The trail goes up through here. My hike is done for today. I hope you enjoyed that, folks. That was a good one. I'm hot. Woo! That was a good hike. Little, pretty G-rated. I mean, for me, saying it's G-rated, it means it's pretty easy. Anyways, folks, this is what this campsite has to offer. This is one, I think, of 3 trails. This is the only one I'm doing this time. I'm gonna come back and maybe grab another one later on in the spring or fall. And hopefully it's on. Gotta do this, right? Gotta do this, right? Maybe this foot? I don't trust this foot at all. Yeah, that's tough. That is so tough. I'm so wobbly, it's not funny. It's so good to be back, guys. That month off about killed me. I love it out here. On the California rock. Look at that. Back to the review. Couple more spots. That's just amazing. There's some sites along the rocks. That's one of my favorite spots. Yeah, here's those RVs that we seen coming in. On busy weekends, I sit and watch the climbers from Site 3. What's up, brother? Vaulted toilets. There's one in the upper level and one in the lower level. We're heading up Spur 2 now. Here's Site 14. All right, here's spur 1. These two sites are the cabanas that we seen when we were coming in. This Y will take you to the main spur or leave. But we're continuing back to this rock formation. There's the pit toilet. Yeah, we're exiting this way to the main spur. You can see the old post site, site number 1, as we've seen in the entrance. All right, folks, this ends our trail review. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And I'll see you on the next one. Hey, sorry for the technical difficulties on the mic. I'm still, after 1 year, well, almost 1 year, 11 months, I'm still a noob at this.